Hi, welcome to another video from MS Office Guru. We hope you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. So far we have seen the basic functions we can use in Excel. However, without typing, we can do the same using Autosum. You can find Autosum either in the Home tab to the far right or in the Formulas tab towards the left. I have selected the 4 cells I want to add, and now from the drop-down of Autosum, I am selecting one of these formulas: sum, average, count, max, min. Here we'll select sum. As soon as I select, see that the cell right next to the cells that we have selected is automatically populated with the sum formula. You can see the same in the formula bar. Similarly, let's do the same for the next row of numbers. Again, I go to Autosum and click on sum. It will add up all these numbers in H5. Notice that I have not told Excel to put the answer here, but by default, it will put it there. To do average, let us go to the drop-down without selecting anything and click on average. And now notice it is also adding a cell that we do not desire. Now we can select the range that we want the average function to be applied on, and it corrects it in the formula. And when we hit enter, it will show us the average. Let us do it again. However, now notice that it is averaging only one cell above it. I am correcting it to the 4 cells that I want it to average. We can do it for each cell or using the autofill function towards the right bottom of the cell and click and drag until the desired cell. It will automatically update the formulas for each of those cells. Similarly, for average, we can do the same by dragging using the autofill function. Now let us do the sum vertically. We'll select the cells that we want to add. Click on Autosum and select sum. It has given us the sum of the 5 cells. We can either do it for each of these columns separately, or we can use the autofill to add them up automatically. We can do the same using average. Select on average, select the correct range of cells that you want to apply it to, and hit enter. Notice that we have not typed anything, but we have got all the answers that we needed just using the mouse. This way, Autosum functions can be very handy. You can find them in the Formulas tab or in the Home tab to the far right. Thank you for watching the video. Please share this knowledge with your friends, family, and colleagues. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.